Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you all are fine. May God keep us protected. Welcome to Rise and Shine Public School, Class 5th, Subject Computer, Chapter number 2, Part 1, and the name of the chapter is Accounts and Password. Inshallah, in this chapter, we will try to learn about the importance of user account. How can we create a user account? How can we apply password of the to the account, change the user account, and turn the guest account on and off, and lastly, how can we delete an account? Now, let's start our lecture. Uh, First of all, we will learn why do we create an account. When there are more than one user share the same computer, it is a safe way to create an account to secure your data. So, it is necessary to create an account to save or secure your data. While you create a user account, each user can apply personal means his own setting. They can apply unique favorite color, wallpaper, and private personal files in a manner they want to apply the settings. They can even create the guest account. Now we will discuss how can we open a account. There is a process through which we can open an account. Now let's discuss this this process or this method one by one or step by step. Number one, click the start button. What we will do first, click the start button, a menu open. From this menu you will click the control panel. These options are highlighted, as you can see this version highlighted control panel. In control panel you will move to the user account. In the control panel you will move to the user account. If you are viewing large icon, the user account window open. As you can see, the user account window open. Now how can we add a new user account? Means how can we make a new user account? Open the user account as I have described in the previous slide by visiting the control panel, then user account. Click manage another account, another windows open. Windows, the rectangular area which opens when we select some option. Number 3, click create a new account. As we are creating a new account, so we will click create a new account. Type a name for the new user in the text box below. Name the account and choose an account type. You will select the name of the user who is creating the account and then the account type. Select any of the following account type. For example, write the name. For example, you will write the name Saifullah Khan in the text box and select the following account type. You can select one of them, standard user or administrator. The advantage of the account type are displayed below them. It is better to select standard user. So it is better to select the standard user. After selecting the option, click in the following option. As we are trying to create the account, so we will create the option create an account. Next our account is created. Next, our account is created. Open the user account window. Click the account you want to change. If you are an administrator, you can also change the other user account. In this case, click the Saifullah Khan's account. The account opens for the changes. In this window, what we are going to do, we are going to change an account. After creating the account, we are trying to change an account. The method of changing an account is as follow. Only keep this thing in your mind, only the administrator can change an account. As you can see, the following option in the second rectangular area, you can see this option, make changes to Saifullah Khan's account. So administrator can create the changes to this already existed account. What kind of changes he can make? He can, number one, he can change the name. The process of changing the name of the account is as follow. Number one, open Safiullah Khan's account as described above. Click the change the account name. What we want to do, what changes we want to bring, we want to change the name of the account. So this rectangular area, you can see the option change the account name. When you will click this option, another window open. It would ask you to change the name. You will click the option change the name as it is shown in this second window with the pointed arrow. Now you can change the name of the user. For example, you can change the name Safiullah Khan to the any other name. It can be Ali or Arham. Now next option is how can we change or create a password. To secure our data, we can create a password to our account. The method of creating an account is as follow. Open Safiullah Khan's account for making changes as described above. Same process as we are following in changing the name, same process we will follow for creating a password, but this time we will select the option create a password. For creating the password, we have to type the password of our choice. It can be any text, it can be numbers, or it can be digit. So type the password of your choice. Then it will ask you to retype the password again. It will show this message for the confirmation of the password. Click create password. The password for the account gets created. It is necessary, if you are creating a password to the account, it is necessary to remember this password. You can save this password by writing it on paper and keep it on a secure or safe place, because if we forgot the password, it is difficult to log on to our account. Student, that's all from my side for today. I hope you have understand the process of creating an account, changing the name, and creating the password to the account. That's all from my side. Thank you so much.